The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Originating from Penang, Lor Bak is a beloved Nyonya staple where marinated pork is seasoned with potent 5-spice powder and wrapped in delicate tofu skin. Deep fried to a gorgeous golden brown, the rolls offer a crispy exterior while keeping the succulent meat inside juicy and aromatic. Essential for Chinese festivals and family celebrations, the flavor profile often includes water chestnuts, shrimp, or onions for added crunch and sweetness. Main ingredients: pork shoulder or belly with some fat, 300 gs, cut into 2x11, 5x11 strips. Dried tofu skin, fast six sheets, about 20 cm square each. Egg white 1/2, beaten in cooking oil for deep frying. Chili sauce as needed for serving. Seasoning marinade: onion 1 peeled and ground to a paste, oyster sauce 1 dsp, light soy sauce 1 dsp, dark soy sauce 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, 5-spice powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1/2 teaspoon, egg 1 beaten. Optional dipping sauce: water or chicken broth 1 cup, Thai spice powder 1 teaspoon, dark soy sauce 1 teaspoon, sugar 2 teaspoons, cornstarch slurry 2 teaspoons, cornstarch plus 2 teaspoons cold water, beaten egg 1/4 egg. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the pork. Cut the pork into strips measuring approximately 2 cm wide by 5 cm long. Tominers 1. Pork shoulder or pork belly with a fair portion of fat is ideal. The fat keeps the filling juicy and tender after frying. If using belly, leave the skin on during marination, but remove it before wrapping. Step 2. Prepare the marinade. Peel and grind 1 onion to a fine paste using a mortar and pestle or food processor. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground onion with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, 5-spice powder, salt, and 1 beaten egg. Stir thoroughly until all the seasoning ingredients are well blended into a uniform marinade. Step 3. Marinate the pork. Add the pork strips to the marinade and toss until every strip is evenly coated. Cover the bowl with cling film and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight. The extended marination allows the 5-spice powder, soy sauces, and onion paste to penetrate deep into the meat, building layers of savory, aromatic flavor. Step 4. Prepare the tofu skin. Carefully separate the dried tofu skin sheets. If they are stiff, lightly dampen them with a clean, moist cloth or brush with a little water to make them pliable. Trim any uneven edges so each sheet forms a near-perfect 20 cm square. Lay them flat on a clean work surface, stacked and covered with a damp cloth to prevent drying. Step 5. Wrap the pork rolls. Spread out 1 square of tofu skin. Place 2 strips of marinated pork lengthwise near one edge of the sheet, leaving about 1/4 cm of clearance from the sides. Roll the tofu skin tightly around the pork, tucking in the sides as you go, just like rolling a spring roll. Apply a small amount of beaten egg white along the final edge to seal. Repeat with the remaining pork strips and tofu skin sheets to make 6 rolls. Step 6. Prick the rolls. Using a clean needle or toothpick, prick the tofu skin of each roll at several points along its length. This crucial step allows steam to escape during deep frying, preventing air bubbles from forming and causing the skin to puff up or burst. Cooking steps. Step 1. Heat the oil. Pour cooking oil into a deep wok or heady-bottomed pot to a depth of at least 5 cm. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it reaches about 170–180 degrees Celsius. To test the temperature, drop in a small piece of tofu skin. It should sizzle immediately and rise to the surface. Reduce the heat to medium before adding the rolls. Step 2. Deep fry the rolls. Carefully lower 2–3 rolls at a time into the hot oil, ensuring they do not touch each other. Deep fry over medium heat for 4–5 minutes, turning occasionally, until the tofu skin turns an even golden brown and feels crisp to the touch. Avoid frying on high heat. The exterior will brown too quickly before the pork inside is fully cooked through. Step 3. Drain the rolls. Using a slotted spoon or spider strainer, remove the fried rolls from the oil and drain on a plate lined with paper towels. Allow them to rest for 1–2 minutes. This helps the residual heat finish cooking the pork to tender perfection while the skin firms up to its signature crunch. Step 4. Slice and serve. Transfer the drained rolls to a cutting board. Using a sharp knife, cut each roll diagonally into bite-sized pieces about 2–5 cm long. Arrange the slices on a serving platter. Serve immediately with chili sauce or with the optional 5-spice dipping sauce described below. Step 5. Prepare the dipping sauce. In a small saucepan, heat 1 cup of water or chicken broth. Add 1 teaspoon 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons sugar. Bring to a boil, then thicken with a cornstarch slurry, 2 teaspoons cornstarch mixed with 2 teaspoons cold water. For a restaurant-style finish, drizzle in a quarter of a beaten egg while stirring swiftly to create delicate egg strands similar to Chinese egg drop soup. Serve warm alongside the sliced Lor Bak. Cooking tips. 5-spice powder freshness matters. Chinese 5-spice powder typically contains cinnamon bark, fennel seeds, cloves, star anise, and ground white pepper. For the most authentic flavor, purchase it fresh from a Chinese grocery store or medicinal shop rather than a standard supermarket, and check the expiry date. Pork fat is essential. A ratio of roughly 4 parts lean meat to 1 part fat ensures the filling stays moist and juicy after deep frying. Lean pork alone will produce a drier, less satisfying texture. Pricking the skin is non-negotiable. Without those tiny needle holes, trapped steam will cause the tofu skin to balloon and potentially split open during frying, spilling the filling into the oil. Temperature control. Start with hot oil to seal the exterior, then reduce to medium so the pork cooks through gently. If the oil is too hot, the skin burns before the meat is done, too cool, and the rolls become greasy and soggy. Make ahead and freeze. Uncooked Lor Bak rolls can be wrapped individually in cling film and frozen for up to 1 month. Thaw completely to room temperature before deep frying. Vegetarian version. Betty Saw and Bi Yin Lo both mention a popular vegetarian Lor Bak made with taro instead of pork, traditionally served during the Nine Emperor God Festival when Straits Chinese families observe vegetarianism.